Zero-carb food list that makes keto simple. The ketogenic diet restricts carbohydrate intake and substitutes it with fat. This causes the body to enter a state of ketosis, in which it burns fat for fuel rather than carbohydrates. To stay in ketosis, a person should take up to 50 grams of carbohydrates per day according to a 2018 review of the various types of ketogenic diets. In this video, we will look at zero-carb foods to help you stay on track. Number 1. Zero-carb fats and oils. Olive oil, butter, ghee, avocado oil, coconut oil, lard, macadamia nut oil, and MCT oil are all low-carb healthy fat and oil options. Avoid oil high in omega-6 fatty acids, such as soybean oil, corn oil, canola oil, and peanut oil. When taken in excess, most vegetable oils can become inflammatory. Number 2. Zero-carb meats. Almost all fresh meat, whether it's a lean, low-fat protein or a marbling, high-fat protein, falls into the no-carb category. Meat is high in protein and fat and should be a regular part of a ketogenic diet. As with the animal fats mentioned above, it is critical to source your meat from healthy animals that are grass-fed, pasture-raised, or wild. Because you eat so much meat on the keto diet, this guideline is very crucial. You want high-quality foods to be your main source of calories. Beef, chicken, lamb, duck, goose, turkey, bison, and pork are all examples of fresh meat. Number 3. Zero-carb seafood. Seafood is another good source of protein. Because they contain no carbs but can be good sources of various nutrients, these foods tend to make up a substantial component of a keto diet. Shrimp, lobster, clams, scallops, mussels, oysters, tuna, cod, salmon, and sardines are some examples of seafood. Number 4. Zero-carb snack options. Because diets tend to limit your calorie consumption, it's a good idea to know what no-carb snacks you can have if you have cravings. Pork rinds, beef jerky, and salmon skins are examples of low-carb snacks. Number 5. Zero-carb sweeteners. There are a few sugar substitutes that are acceptable on a keto diet. Natural sugar sweeteners include stevia extract, monk fruit, erythritol, and swerve sweetener. Number 6. Zero-carb drinks. Avoid sugar-sweetened drinks, such as soda, and fruit juice, even 100% juice, because they are high in sugar and, consequently, carbohydrates. Water, coffee, tea and carbonated water are some zero-carb drink options. While Diet Coke, or diet soda in general, is technically keto-compliant, it may cause you to crave more. According to a study published in the British Medical Journal in January 2019, these artificially sweetened sips may fool the body into seeking the calories and carbs it thinks it's getting from Diet Coke. When your body discovers it isn't, it may compensate by overeating. Tips for the keto diet. Because the keto diet is so restrictive, it can be difficult to stick to it. What a person can consume can get boring. It can be beneficial to ease into the diet gradually. For example, a person may discontinue eating one type of food at a time, such as bread or sugary drink. Aim to get your carbs from whole, unprocessed foods to reap the benefits of their vitamins and minerals. Finally, people on the keto diet should have regular health checks to see if the diet is affecting their heart. It is also critical for diabetics to watch for hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar. Overall, it is critical to consult with a doctor before making large dietary changes, such as converting to a ketogenic diet. The bottom line. A person on the keto diet should limit their carbohydrate intake to no more than 50 grams per day. High-carbohydrate diets are typically replaced with fatty foods such as eggs, dairy products, fresh meat and fish. Wheat products, as well as various fruits, vegetables, beans, and legumes, can be rich in carbohydrates, therefore reading food labels is essential. Contact a doctor before beginning a keto diet to ensure that the adjustment will be safe.